Good morning, it's Monday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler for lunch. I'm giving him some leftovers today from football yesterday. It's just awesome that football is back. So we had some friends over and there were some things left over that we obviously need to work our way through. So I did pack him some leftover egg rolls that one of our friends brought over. They're just regular pork egg rolls, and then this is just like a side container of duck sauce that I put in from a larger container so he can heat these up and then just dip if he wants. I did make some of the little cheddar smoky sausages. I think they're Hillshire Farm. And then they just cook in the crock pot with grape jelly, and I used the Stubbs Sweet Hickory barbecue sauce. They came out really tasty, so we can heat those up. A Del Monte cherry mixed fruit cup, pretty much like a fruit cocktail, but a lot of cherries in it. Some Pringle Original, just individual container. A little cheese stick. This is the Pepper Jack cheese stick from Sargento. And then a Pillsbury mini sweet chocolate chip biscuit. We're still working our way through the 3 different kinds that I had picked up. I've mentioned, I think last week or the week before, I don't think I would buy these again. We tried blueberry, honey butter in this one, and they're just okay. So I'm definitely going to pass on picking them up again. And that is, oh, and drinks. I have to grab a couple drinks for him. It is Monday and I'm exhausted, by the way, so let me grab his drinks and show you. I'm just going to give him an Arnold Palmer light half and half iced tea lemonade, a Canada Dry ginger ale, and you guys know, of course, the water cooler, but that's everything for today. We'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday. Good morning, it is Tuesday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him an Arnold Palmer light iced tea lemonade and then an Arizona mango fruit juice drink. We had some salads last night, so I just made a third one with the leftover, this is grilled, boneless, skinless grilled chicken breast that was marinated, and then some spring mix, like a bed of spring mix on the bottom, some chopped tomatoes from my parents' garden, some carrot, some black olive, and then I just sprinkled, oh, and there's also red bell pepper as well, and then I sprinkled some sharp cheddar cheese, a grilled chicken breast, and this is just a side of ranch dressing, fork so he can eat it. One of these loaded strawberry Greek yogurts. I bought a couple of these. I gave my husband one last week and he said it was just okay. So I won't be buying this loaded kind again. He didn't say it was bad, he just said it was okay. So I'm just going to go back to keep trying new things until he tells me I have a winner. This is a Volpe brand Roltini. It's just mozzarella cheese wrapped in prosciutto. I get these at BJ's. I'm pretty sure Trader Joe's has them as well. A banana, and then a Lance's Captain Wafer peanut butter and honey cracker. We love these. So that is lunch today on Tuesday, and we will see you tomorrow. Good morning, it is Wednesday, and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. I'm giving him an Arizona watermelon fruit juice drink and Arnold Palmer light half and half iced tea lemonade. We did have hot dogs last night, so I've got a couple just cooked hot dogs that he can heat up in here. I put the hot dog rolls separately just so they don't get weird and soggy and like wet in the microwave. Ketchup and mustard on the side, some spoons here. I've done this many times before with both hamburgers or hot dogs and hamburgers. I just put the bread and the condiments separate and he can just make his own up. A banana, one of these Del Monte cherry mixed fruit. It's just like a fruit cocktail cup, but it's heavier on the cherries, which is really good. Just some good old classic crunchy Cheetos, and a Sargento pepper jack cheese stick. So pretty low-key, easy lunch today. And that's what's going on. We will see you tomorrow on Thursday. Hey guys, good morning. It is Thursday, and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. I'm giving him an Arizona mango fruit juice cocktail, and a raspberry pure leaf iced tea. Of course, as always, the water cooler. Hot leftovers here from last night. They look pretty unappetizing, as usual to me when food is cold, especially pasta dishes. But it's kind of like it's a chicken shrimp sort of carbonara Alfredo vibe. But as per usual, it just doesn't look great. Unfortunately, I do not have a clip or even a still picture of what it did look like when it was hot, but it actually did look really good. It's got chicken, shrimp, roasted red peppers, garlic, onion, of course, the pasta and the sauce. It's kind of like a copycat. It's a copycat recipe that I found. I'll link it below for the Olive Garden chicken shrimp carbonara. So I'll put that recipe down below. A Kind bar here. This is caramel, almond, and sea salt. A Pringle sour cream and onion little like individual cup. One of the Volpe Rolltinis, which is the mozzarella cheese wrapped in prosciutto. I get these at BJ's, at least this batch I did. And then just an apple. I got about 4 pounds of apples. I'm doing some apple crisps and wanted to throw it in because it's apple season here and they're really tasty. But this is what's going on for Thursday, and we will see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is Friday and we made it to the end of the work week. I am off today and very excited to see one of my close friends that I have not seen in probably a couple months at this point. But anyways, I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler, an Arizona mango fruit juice blend thing, a Great Value brand ginger ale. It's like a dupe for the Canada Dry. I did make the Hawaiian sliders last night. It's a good old Pinterest recipe that I found many years ago. I do have a video on this, but you can also just go to Pinterest and search Hawaiian sliders. They're really tasty, but I just made a sheet tray of them last night. I just had like a 12 pack of these King's Hawaiian rolls. So this is just what's left over, ham, cheese, and I do put everything but the bagel seasoning on mine with a little bit of melted butter. So we've got these, a flipped strawberry cheesecake yogurt. I just have to grab a spoon, a Pringles little cheddar cheese cup, and then this is one of those Reese's like chocolate, and then there's peanut butter inside little cupcakes that I found at Walmart. And yeah, that's what's going on for today. Thank you so much for watching this week's lunch video. If you're new here, I have an entire playlist of these types of videos linked down below from over the span of many years. Have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.